Welcome to Glocester Library's Craft Challenge for Kids. Each project we make will feature materials that we all have hanging around the house. Today, we're making citrus bird feeders. The materials you need are an orange, lemon, or a grapefruit, birdseed, string, and a skewer or something sharp to poke holes. Young children, please have mom or your caregiver make the holes. Step 1. Cut your citrus in half. Again, young children, mom or your caregiver need to do this. 2. Scoop out the pulp. It's okay to leave a little of the pulp because the birds love citrus. Did you know that? 3. You're going to make 4 holes, 2 on each side. Take your string and put it through the first hole on one side and then the second hole on the same side, pulling it through and knotting inside of your citrus. Then take your second string and put it through the holes on the other side and knot the same as the first time. At this point, you can add your bird seed. If you'd like to put a bird perch on your bird feeder, take the skewer and push it through both sides of the orange. Hang your citrus bird feeder in a tree or on a bird feeder pole if you have one. But I would suggest having an adult use a piece of floral wire or another piece of string to tie it securely so Mr. Squirrel doesn't carry it away. But if he does, that's okay. He'll have a treat. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week with another craft challenge. After you make your craft, post a picture and hashtag Glocester Library's Craft Challenge on Instagram or tag us on Facebook at Glocester Manton Library or at Harmony Library. See you next week.